Hi, my name is Myke. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. On this channel, I'll be sharing my simple life and the beautiful scenery you can find here in our province. If you enjoy peaceful places, nature, and everyday provincial living, you're in the right place. I hope you'll join me on this journey and I hope my videos inspire you. Today, we're heading to my hometown in the province of Albay, Ginobatan. We'll take a look at the beautiful morning view of the town and enjoy its peaceful atmosphere. But before we start exploring, we'll first attend Holy Mass at Paris Church located in the heart of the town. So, come along with me as we begin this wonderful morning. As we travel along this road in Barangay Maypon, I would like to share a story with you. This place was once a beautiful and lively community, full of life, laughter, and hope. It was a peaceful barangay where families built their homes and lived in harmony for many years. However, everything changed on November 30, 2006. On that day, Typhoon Riming struck the province of Albay with tremendous force. Barangay Maypon was among the areas that suffered the worst devastation. The impact was not only felt on properties and infrastructure, but most importantly on the lives of the Filipino who live here. Many lives were lost due to massive flooding and the flow of volcanic materials from Mayon volcano, which were carried down during the typhoon. Entire homes were buried under thick layers of mud, sand, and large rocks. It is truly heartbreaking to remember what happened here, seeing the aftermath and witnessing how rescuers and residents searched desperately one by one for those who were lost and buried. Even now, as we pass through this road, the memories of that tragic event remain a reminder of both the power of nature and the resilience of the people who survived and rebuilt their lives here. Sadly, in today's news, reports about effective flood control projects have once again become widespread. These infrastructures, which are meant to protect communities from devastating floods, are now under public investigation due to concerns about their quality and effectiveness. In a country like Philippines, where natural disasters such as typhoons and flooding are frequent, flood control systems are not just infrastructure projects, they are lifelines. When these systems fail, the consequences are felt most heavily by ordinary people, families losing homes, livelihoods and lives being destroyed, and communities struggling to recover. As investigations and discussions continue, many are calling for stronger oversight, transparency, and accountability in public works. The hope remains that future projects will truly serve their purpose, protecting lives rather than becoming symbols of mismanagement. This issue serves as a reminder that public infrastructure is not just about construction, it is about trust, responsibility, and the welfare of every citizen. By the way, we are now in the town proper of Ginobatan. The mass just ended, so now we can go around the church for some nice shots.
Please all kneel to pray the Orasio Imperata. We have fulfilled the words of nature. We have confessed your command to subdue the earth. The environment is made to suffer.
Today, we're going on a walking tour here in the town proper of Ginubatan. One of the most noticeable sights here are the jeepneys. These colorful public utility vehicles constantly pass through the town proper, picking up and dropping off passengers. Some jeepneys are heading to nearby towns, while others travel longer roads going to major cities in the province. You'll often see them stop briefly along the roadside, passengers hopping on or off in a quick but organized flow. And now, we are about to cross the pedestrian lane so we can reach the park on the other side of this road. As you can see, there aren't many people hanging around here yet because it's still morning and the weather is already quite hot. This park has a very little shade, so most people prefer to come later in the afternoon. As the temperature drops, the park becomes much livelier with more visitors. It is also a popular spot for couples, making it a common place for dates and spending quality time together. Many children visit this park because it has a playground where they can play and have fun. Watching them reminds me of my childhood. I never had a chance to experience moments like this because we rarely went to town. My family struggled financially, so simple trips like this were beyond our means. Now, let's head over to their public market. This public market is not only for a place for shopping but also a gathering spot where the local culture and everyday life can truly be experienced. As we approach, you'll immediately notice the lively atmosphere of the morning. Vendors are already setting up their stalls, while locals are busy shopping for fresh produce, meat, seafood, and other daily essentials. Tricycles, motorcycles, and customers fill the streets, creating a vibrant scene that reflects the community's daily routine. The morning is the busiest time here with people coming early to buy the freshest ingredients for the day. As we step inside the public market, the place becomes even more alive. You can hear vendors cheerfully calling out to customers while friendly conversations fill the air. This is the designated waiting area where tricycle drivers patiently line up and wait for passengers. This route leads directly to our barangay, making it the primary and most reliable mode of transportation for residents and visitors traveling to our community. Before we go home, there's a place I wanted to visit, and it's located right beside the high school and elementary school. I've actually been there before when I was practicing how to drive a manual car. It's a simple place with nothing too fancy, But what makes it special is the peaceful atmosphere. The tall, unique trees standing all around give this place a calm and relaxing vibe, making it a perfect spot to slow down and enjoy the nature. Alright guys, we're finally here at the place I've been telling you about. As you can see, the ground here is covered with sand. I'm not really sure where all this sand came from. I don't know if it was brought here and spread around, or if it's been like this for a long time. Sometimes in life, a simple place like this is all we need to unwind. We don't have to travel far or spend a lot of money just to relax. Sometimes, peace can be found in the simplest places where we can slow down, breathe, and enjoy the moment. As I walk around this place, I noticed several groups of teenagers hanging out. Some of them were taking photos while others seemed to be working on school activities or projects. It looked like they were enjoying their time while also getting their tasks done. I think the best time to visit this place is during the weekends because it's usually less crowded. Since it's located very close to the school, I feel that a lot of students come here on weekdays. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, I'm glad to hear that. You can also subscribe and join me on my province journey. I'll see you around.